About product color, pink. The Xmayr Nano Facial Steamer. The Xmay Nano Facial Steamer can moisturize skin and deeply cleanse pores. The facial atomizer takes personal sauna spa quality skin care with high quality facial hydration system. The Hot Mist Facial Steamer takes the advanced PTC ceramic heating element to vaporize clean water and produce a visibly strong steam instantly. Ample and directed microfine steams penetrate deeply into all your skin layers. Nano steam combined with ionic water particles can be up to 10x more effective in penetrating skin. Bonus double-sided facial brush deeply cleaning skin. Improves overall skin tone and stimulates collagen production, massages your skin activating skin elasticity and absorption of nutrition from your beauty cream. How to use the steamer. Step 1. Place the main unit on a flat surface. Step 2. Fill the water supply tank with water, distilled water or purified water. Step 3. Insert the water supply tank to the facial steamer. Step 4. Insert the plug into the power outlet. Step 5. Push up the power switch to turn on the facial steamer. Step 6. Direct the steam to your face. Keep at least 20 centimeters away from the nozzle. Step 7. After the end of steaming, please off the steam device, plug out the power. Package includes 1 facial steamer, 1 user manual, 1* face brush. Specifications: powder, 280W voltage, 110V frequency, 60 Hz capacity, 70 ml steam temperature, approximate 40 C, 104 F, at a distance of approximate 20 cm from the steam outlet. Quality guarantee 90 days, money back guarantee 365 days warranty. Nano TECHNOLOY. It boasts of nanotechnology that produces micro-sized mist, able to penetrate deep into the skin in those hard-to-reach areas in mere seconds. Cleansing impurities deep inside, opening blocked pores, minimizing blackheads, effectively moisturizing UV lamp, quickly out of the mist, effectively remove bacteria in water. An antibacterial rate is as high as 99.99%. 70 ml water tank. Nano steam is released for 12 minutes. Promote deep pore. The warm mist allows your pores to breathe, leaving your skin hydrated and youthful. PTC ceramic heating element, PTC, to turn clean water into microfine particles. Generates visibly steam in under 18 seconds. Bonus double-sided face brush, deeply cleaning skin, improves overall skin tone and stimulates collagen production, effectively exfoliating of dead skin cells to reveal a radiant, youthful skin. Massages your skin, activating skin elasticity and absorption of nutrition from your beauty cream. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.